plus 25. Over, we have x squared minus 25. So since our numerator is trinomial, let's check first if the given is a perfect square. So how to check? Check the first term and the last term. X squared is a perfect square. How about 25? What is the square root of x squared? Square root of 25. Okay, after getting the square root, multiply the two given. So, x times 5. Then, multiply it again by 2. Kailangan yung product ay equal sa middle term. So, 2 times 5x equal to the middle term. Okay, therefore, we can say that the given trinomial is a perfect square. What we're going to do? First, we need to write two parentheses. Inside the parentheses, copy the square root of the first term and the square root of the last term. And then what is the operation? Copy the operation at the middle term, which is plus. Over. O, factor na natin si denominator. Si denominator ay ilang terms? 2 terms. What is a polynomial with 2 terms? Binomial. Okay, sa binomial naman, tatlo ang choices. GCMF, difference of 2 squares, or sum and difference of 2 cube. Si cube ay hindi na kasali. Bakit? Kasi ang exponent niya ay 2. Eh sa cube, di ba dapat? 3. O dalawa na lang yung choices. Tingnan muna natin sa difference of 2 squares. Okay, the given is a binomial. There is a minus sign. Each term is a perfect square. What is the square root of x squared? Square root of 25. Okay, if yes, what we're going to do, step 1, write two parentheses. Inside the parentheses, write plus and minus. And what is the square root of x squared? Square root of 25? Okay, this is the factor of the given binomial. And the last step is, divide out or cancel out any common factor. Meron bang common factor? Ano yung common factor? X plus 5 at x plus 5. Cancel na yan. Sino natira?
X plus 5
Over x minus 5. Okay, this is the answer.